Situated along the Hiwassee River near the North Carolina border in Polk County, Tennessee, stands a marvel of railway engineering. You've probably never heard of this landmark railroad grade before, but after watching this video, you'll see why it's regarded as one of the greatest engineering feats in American railroad history. Constructed in 1898 by the Atlanta, Knoxville, and Northern, the Hiwassee Loop replaced a series of switchbacks around a hill called Bald Mountain with a double-loop railroad grade. This cut train schedules by 2 hours, allowing for faster service between Marietta, Georgia, and Knoxville, Tennessee. In 1902, the Louisville and Nashville absorbed the AK&N with the intent to operate it as a mainline. But the difficult terrain and high elevation of the route through the Blue Ridge would lead the L&N to construct a new line from Etowah, Tennessee to Cartersville, Georgia. From 1906 on, the former main line became known as the Old Line. Thanks to the Tennessee Overhill Association, the Old Line was saved from abandonment by CSX in 2001 after the Tennessee Chemical Company shuttered its sulfuric acid plant in Copper Hill. Today, the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum hosts scenic excursion trains along the Old Line and occasionally operates freight trains between Wetmore and Copper Hill, Tennessee. On Amtrak's 50th birthday, May 1st, 2021, the TVRM pulled a 105-car-long train of empty hopper cars with 3 locomotives, totaling 6,000 horsepower. As you'll soon see, the train will loop over itself as it descends the mountain grade toward Appalachia, Tennessee. We hope you enjoyed this short video on the legendary loop of East Tennessee. Stay tuned for more coverage of this line in an upcoming documentary on the Louisville and Nashville's Old Road to Copper Hill. To learn more about the Hiwassee Loop and to book tickets on the Hiwassee River Rail Adventure, visit tvrail.com. Thank you for watching Delay and Block Productions. Until next time, happy railroading.